yeah, Bob Evans, man. Breakfast is served. Yeah. So I've arrived at the Orlando Gun Club, where I shall be meeting Peter in a minute, and apparently going to shoot some guns. Yeah. Look how good I am at shooting. Are you impressed with your husband?
Very impressed.
You don't look very impressed. To the beach. It's going to be too windy to hear what's going on.
That's true.
So we're leaving Fort DeSoto Beach now, and as you may have been able to tell, I bought myself a present. Thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below. Remember to subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.